Okay, Nick, this is just a quick video. Basically, I've got a rear view or backup camera. My launcher is Android Auto themed or in its flavor. I'll make a better video soon, but just haven't had a chance yet. Obviously all the typical music apps and navigation, total traffic, which is actually pretty cool. It tells you where the traffic jams are. And then the coolest part is how it turns off and turns on when it receives and power is lost. That is compliments of a kernel called Timmer's ROM. Down here is USB ports for USB sticks, or even my phone will mount as a storage, which is fantastic. All right, bye.